Rosalia Emily B. Yuma, Head Teacher 3, will now present the candidates for graduation.
Hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the basic education curriculum of the Department of Education. May I therefore request the confirmation of their graduation.
By virtue of the power delegated to me by Dr. Flordelisa R. Mayari, School Superintendent, Division of Valenzuela City, and upon the certification of your head teacher, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed in the basic education curriculum of the Department of Education, I now confer your graduation for the school year 2011-2012 from Jerry De Leon National High School. Congratulations!
Our Honorable Congressman, Magtanggol Maggie Guniguno the First.
Kapag high school graduate na, dapat proficient na in English. But the Department of Education has already made reforms through Department Order number 74 series of 2009 that would use the mother tongue of Filipinos all over the country in literacy. It means that under the K+12 curriculum, the mother tongue or the first language of the child will be used as the language of learning and testing from the early grades onwards. English is to be taught as a second language and not part of language arts. And as a result, more and more Filipinos will be able to complete basic education. The cohort survival rate will improve, the dropout rate will also diminish, and at the same time, functional literacy will greatly increase. Now, what's wrong in speaking in Tagalog? Meron bang masama na magsalita ng Tagalog? Wala. Ikaw ba'y dapat pagalitan ng iyong guro kung ikaw ay nagsasalita sa iyong unang wika? Hindi. Bakit? Kasi yan ang iyong language right bilang isang estudyante. Nakapagsalita sa wika, alam mo na iyong binibigkas sa iyong tahanan at ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Kaya nga ang Pangulong Noynoy Aquino, kapag siya'y nagtatalumpati sa State of the Nation Address, diretsong Filipino ang kanyang wikang ginagamit. Hindi nag-i-English. Problema ng mga banyaga na maghanap ng translator para maintindihan kung ano ang kanyang sinasabi. Ngayong hapong ito, pinili ko na hindi mag-English, bagkus ang gusto ko wikang Filipino upang naunawaan ng lahat ng mga batang graduates ng Batch 2012 at ng inyong mga magulang upang sa gayon maintindihan nila kung ano ang ating mensahe ngayong hapong ito. Ako'y naniniwala ng high school ang pinaka-masayang bahagi ng buhay estudyante.
Big part of this graduation ceremony, the awarding of certificates to the graduates. Allow me to read the content of the certificates. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, National Capital Region, Division of City Schools of Valenzuela, City of Valenzuela, Jenny De Leon National High School. This certifies that the graduate has satisfactorily completed all the requirements for graduation in accordance to the basic education curriculum prescribed for the secondary schools by the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, and is therefore entitled to this certificate. Signed in Valenzuela City, Philippines, this 28th day of March 2012. Signed, Salvacion B. David, Principal 4, Dr. Flordelisa R. Mayari, Schools Division Superintendent.
John Paul O. Alpahan. Joselito T. Añaversa. Mamerson Ian A. Apolinar.
Sebastian Ubini